Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best plantar fasciitis heel cups on the market. The MIAYOHO Plantar Fasciitis Heel Cups, updated version. If you've been struggling with heel pain, plantar fasciitis, heel spurs, or even cracked heels, these heel cups might be exactly what you need to find relief. The MIAYOHO heel cups are designed to provide natural and effective support for your feet. Unlike simple cushions, these feature an innovative construction that targets not only heel pain but also related discomforts such as Achilles tendonitis, shin splints, and even back and leg fatigue. This comprehensive support makes them a great option if your foot pain has been affecting more than just your heels. One of the standout features of this product is the updated material. MIAYOHO listened closely to customer feedback and improved their heel cups by adding high-density gel pads on the inside. These gel pads are engineered to maximize shock absorption, which helps reduce muscle fatigue not just in your feet, but also in your knees and lower back. This level of cushioning is particularly beneficial if you spend a lot of time on your feet or are active throughout the day. Another important aspect is the endorsement by podiatrists and specialist physicians. These heel cups are designed by foot care experts and recommended for managing several foot conditions. This professional design means you're getting a product that's not only comfortable but also medically sound for heel protection. Comfort is key when it comes to any wearable product, and MIAYOHO has focused on that as well. The heel cups are made with breathable fabric that keeps your feet ventilated, reducing moisture and discomfort. They are cushioned enough for all-day wear and include features such as adjustable, self-sticky, and anti-slip designs to ensure they stay in place, providing consistent support without slipping inside your shoes. These heel protectors are versatile too. They work well with other treatments, making them an excellent addition to your foot care routine. Whether you suffer from flat feet, high arches, tendonitis, or even Sever's disease in children, these heel cups can help mitigate pain and protect your feet during daily activities. In terms of sizing, MIAYOHO offers options for both men and women, covering a wide range of shoe sizes to make sure you get a perfect fit. The product comes in black, which is a neutral color that can easily blend with most footwear. Overall, the MIAYOHO Plantar Fasciitis heel cups deliver a strong combination of expert design, advanced materials, and user comfort. If you want to reduce impact force and get better shock absorption, while supporting your feet throughout the day, these heel cups are worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing, check the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.